What's up everyone, Alpha here, back with another video. Today we're going to do our very first top 5 for Airsoft, so stick around to the very end. I think you're going to be quite surprised at who my number 1 is. Number 5, Naughbridge. There's really not a whole lot to say about this guy. He's just an incredible Airsofter. He makes a whole lot of really good airsoft products. He is pretty much holding the whole community up. So I mean, he's just wonderful. There's not a lot that you can say that's bad about the guy. He's amazing. He helped me boost my own channel at the very beginning. He's you know what I mean? I'm not gonna sit here and front like he has done
Let's
nothing
end this.
and does nothing but tries to create
Thanks, Bobby.
more opportunities for the community, and it's just really cool. He's just a really good guy.
Safety brief.
Number 4,
Chrono,
Unicorn Leah,
Chrono line.
an American Airsofter.
It's not long. Yeah.
She is a huge. She's a huge pillar of the community. She is like pretty much she's like the mother of all female airsofters. You know, if you're at an event and she is there and you're alone, she is going to take you under her wing. Oh my! She spends a lot of time healing people.
Yeah. We're good again.
Like I said, dude, she's the support. She's the team mom.
Bless it. Oh, it's cool.
Number 3, Dutch. The guy's really, really good at the sport. Like, he's just really, really good. Like, he's really good at it. He's really good at it. He's like what you expect from pro play in video games, but in real life. Just absolutely unreal, the shots that he's able to make. Move on to a little bit more of the gameplay, because he's just absolutely nuts.
Didn't arrive yet.
I just can't stop watching.
This is good because although some of these players are very experienced, some of them are
Disgusting.
not, so it helps to keep things as balanced as possible.
They're right around that corner.
Just watch him.
Dead men don't talk as well.
Yeah, way to keep up with the rules, see? Always tries to play fair. Really, really positive. If something goes wrong, he's usually the last person who's going to be like
Right on that far wall.
angry about plastic BBs. And yeah, it's really surprising, especially considering he's a young dude and he plays like this. You know, usually guys who are a little younger, they have a little bit more hot-headed. He's really level-headed for a guy his age. And yeah, man, he's just a super, super positive influence for the community. And I'm hoping that more people see his content and act accordingly. It's as simple as that.
As to why for so many
Number
years
2.
we achieved so much,
Silo.
prospered as no other people on earth.
This dude,
It was because here in this land
he's the reason why
we
I started
unleashed
playing.
the energy and individual genius
don't
of man to a
have
greater
any,
extent than has ever
like,
been done before.
I don't have any,
Those who say
like,
that
way
we're in a
to
time when
express
there are
that
no
without,
heroes,
like it's hearing now.
they just don't know where to look.
Is actually
Therefore I will work,
watching
I
his
will
content,
save,
seeing
I will
all the
sacrifice,
different things that he has done
I will endure.
throughout the years. You know, watching all the
Dependent
dead videos. He's the
on
reason
me
I
alone.
started playing. He's the reason I started making videos. So,
Hey, what's up, guys? But
it's
no
wild that
longer.
he's only my second
We're taking a look at
favorite.
the best moments that
because,
got us here, the best
man,
moments
he's
of
just got
since
such
I
a special
started
place
playing.
in my heart.
To give something back to you guys, accompany me on this adventure. I'm doing the biggest giveaway ever.
All right, we're gonna skip ahead here. A little bit. Oh my! Oh, that was the suicide vest. Yeah, I remember that. That was funny. That guy has no idea what just happened. Oh, man. Yeah, that was wild too. He ruined everything. Ruined everything. Number 1, J-Trick. There isn't a single Airsofter out there that I can think of that does what he does. I'm happy he's monetized, but those ads are killing me right now. Nobody's doing this. This is like real SWAT shit. Like, this is wild. And if you have, it's wild to me that, you know, he has only like 100,000 subs. When I found him, he only had 10,000 subscribers. Bet you will go through the basement. You guys just repelled from the roof. Why not go through the basement? They would never expect that. Ridiculous. Dude's absolutely nuts. And guaranteed he's gonna get a kill here. Yep, there we go. Pistol kill. Easy, easy. He fought for that. Yeah. And he drops back down. Ridiculous. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick top 5. See my very favorite airsofters at work. Some of these dudes are doing some crazy, crazy stuff. So hopefully you check out all their channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. Alright, we'll see you next time.